Hi everyone, Tina from Willow's Wonder here. Today we'll be making some unscented, uncoloured aloe vera soap inspired by my dad. So it's really important to be safe when you're working around lye. You'll need some glasses, some gloves and some protective clothing. I'm just checking the temperature of my lye solution and my oils to make sure that they're roughly about the same temperature. This is what's known as burping your stick blender to make sure that you're removing any bubbles and so that no air pockets form in your soap. And I'm just adding my lye solution, lye water, to my oils very carefully so that there's no splashes. And usually I alternate my stick blending with my stirring till I become satisfied that my soap batch is reaching a light trace, which is where you can see the lines forming on top of the soap batch by drizzling it over the top. After I reached trace, I added some aloe vera powder and poured my soap into the mould, and I used some activated charcoal mixed with oil to drizzle over the top and create a pretty swirl pattern. This soap is unscented and it has no colour except for this charcoal on top because it's a soap that my father requested. He said that he has very sensitive skin and can't use any soaps or products with any chemicals or synthetic surfactants or detergents or anything like that. So that's the final product setting up. So if you have any sensitive skin or you can't use other products, this one will be great to use. So I'm just slicing up my soap now. I'm having a bit of difficulty with my soap slicer because I haven't tightened up my strings properly. And this one is going to be quite plain on the inside, obviously, as it has no colours or swirls or anything inside. But it's going to be a beautiful creamy white for people who love simplicity. And they just turned out just gorgeous. So I'm really happy with my unscented, uncoloured aloe vera soap. And until next time, stay clean.